Hi guys, today we got Holden Commodore 2013 and our customer has problem with his sway link and we're gonna replace it. This is our sway link, this is a brand new one. The problem was ball joint has worn out, so because of that he got some rattling sounds when he's going over somehow. Okay, let's get into the job. Okay guys, now we are here left side of the vehicle. We already jammed up the vehicle and now we're gonna remove the tire. Then we can fix the body. We can visible our front sway bar link here. Boot has worn out, as you can see. So that we have to remove this bolt and this bolt, then we can take off this sway bar link. Okay guys, we already took off our own parts. As you can see, this ball joint has worn out the rubber joint. Alright, we almost there. We already installed our new bar link and it has one idle nut up here and another one down there. So as a final part, we have to put the tire back and get down the car and we do the test drive.